What's up, boys and girls? Welcome back to another banger video. Let's go. As you can tell, we out on the water today. Man, it is freaking hot, and it's been hot all day and night. The water is freaking warm. I came out yesterday, I caught one bass. I did get that on video. If I catch a fish today, what's up, man? Catch anything?
Dude, I got a big snakehead here, man.
Word.
First one. Bro, he's fucking crazy too.
Let me see.
I'm scared to get him out.
you got grippers?
Dude, he's in my net. I got that thing bunched down.
Hey, look, I'm over here because I got the camera and stuff on because I do YouTube.
Yeah.
I'm over here and stuff talking in the corner, and I'm hearing like splashing. I could hear like somebody in a kayak over here like fighting something.
Dude, I almost lost him like 3 times.
Yeah, I said I think it's somebody over here on the kayak. I said it on the video.
Yeah, man.
I was like, yeah, somebody over here on the kayak. Then I came around the corner and said, yeah, somebody. I said, I think they got something.
I'm scared to get him out, dude, because like I just cut the line to keep the hook in.
What you got him on?
I was using a creature bait. Yeah.
Wow.
Dude, he's probably gonna flip the fuck out.
Let me see. Oh, dude, that's a nice one.
Dude, he's beautiful.
He's fat.
He's big.
That's an 8-9 pounder all day.
He's
Easy.
heavy.
Easy.
And he, yeah, look at this motherfucker.
Cool.
I don't want to get him any further than that.
Oh, you got a small net too.
The hook's in there.
Oh yeah.
Still, so if he jumps, watch your hand. But man.
Cool, that's a fat one.
Yeah.
Creature bait, just bounce it right off the bottom.
Dude, I got a little bullet weight on it, and I saw lily pads just trailing in the back. And there's something in this right back in this corner.
Yeah.
There's something just cruising through there.
Mm.
So I put a little bullet weight on.
I'm not seeing much carp splashing either, which is good.
They were earlier.
Yeah.
I've been out here for a few hours.
Gotcha. I just got out here like an hour.
Yeah.
That I think right around that 5-6 o'clock bite gonna be fire.
Is it?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Dude, there's been a lot of action back here, man.
All right, I
It's
guess.
been splashing like crazy, dude.
Snakeheads.
Yeah. So all up in here, in that back corner, and this back corner.
All right.
They've been just. I've been trying, man. I just couldn't get them, and I just cruised back there one more time. I was getting ready to leave.
Dang.
Yeah.
Got one. Got one. Fucking go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Get in the net. Get in the net. Let's go. Let's go. We got us a snakehead. Let's freaking go. Oh my God. He hit it on the drop too. Let's go. Got my first snakehead in 7 years on a spinnerbait. Let's freaking go. Let's go. I've been pitting in work for these freaking things, man. Let's go. Dude, he freaking hit it on the drop. Let's go. Oh my God. My freaking heart is pounding. Dude, my freaking heart is pounding. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. We just caught ourselves a solid snake right here. We caught it right there. He hit it on the drop too. And look, spinner bait broke. Look at that. I got him with the, luckily I had that backup hook. Not, I wouldn't have never got him. Bring him in the kayak real quick. It's a fat snake right there. Fat snake. I got the hook out. Oh no, he was on the main hook. He was on the main hook. Look, Strike King broke that thing. The other grouper had got hot. Look at that. Probably about a 20, 23, 24, maybe 25. Male. You can tell it's a male. Yeah, about 5 pounds. Look at that snake. Let's go. I'm gonna get some pictures and stuff with this thing on the GoPro. Let's go. It's a nice solid snake right there. Let's go. I'm very happy to manage this nice snake right here. And man, it's a blessing to get one. It's been tough out here. I only been out here for like an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. And we got one. That's all that matters. The man was just telling me out over here that he'd been seeing a lot, and I threw right over there. And right on that corner, that pads, it looked too good, and I threw over there and he hammered it. I mean, he hammered it on a drop. On a drop, he hammered that thing. I'm gonna end up keeping this snakehead. Well, there's a fry ball right there. And I just caught my first fry ball snakehead of the year. And he hit it hard too. Well, I guess I better turn the GoPro back on because we've been out for hours and no luck. So that's why I turned it off, but I guess it's time to turn it back on now. This is a solid snake right here. This was guarding the fry. I don't know if it's a male, female, but dude, the head on this thing is big. And the fry is still right there too. The fry is still right there. Look at it. Look at that head. Oh yeah. Fat snake right there. Fat snake right there. Stickers keep getting caught up in the net. Let's go. There she is. There she is. She or he. She or he. Let's go. Beautiful fish right there. Beautiful fish. Get some pictures taken with the GoPro out front, and yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all after we take some pictures. Let's go. imagine you just catch one.
That would be funny. I would laugh.
Man, it was hard getting back here. Thick. God dang, he got me. Them thick lily pads.
Like I said, we'll hit that cove and then work our way back.
Oh yeah, back.
Okay, gotta keep going.
Got it. Oh, I don't got the hook though. Oh yeah, he had one hook in him. I sent them flying too, didn't I, Ryan?
Huh?
I sent them flying too, didn't I?
Sorry,
Yeah.
I got the photos of the frog. We'll see how much it's worth going.
Huh?
Yep, we're going through.
All right, hook us out.
I just want to make sure he's not gonna like flip out of his kayak or anything.
Who, me?
Yeah, you. Make sure you're good to go, bro. On the next set, be careful going through because we'll just see if that fly ball's still out.
We're gonna release her back to our fry. Let's go. Fry right up here. Come on. There we go. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share it to your friends, and we'll see you on the next episode. Let's go.